Hi, this is Darren from ALO Upholstery and Interiors. Today I'm going to show you how to upholster this tufted headboard. So the thickness of the wood that I'm using is 5/8 of an inch. You could use it a little thicker if you want. So right now I'm gluing it and screwing it down all around the sides. So once I'm done marking on the plywood, I have it 7.5 inch side to side and 9.5 inch top to bottom. So the height of the headboard is 29 inches and the width of the board is 62 inches. So now I'm using a 3/8 drill bit to drill out the holes. And this is the type of glue that I'm using. And the spray gun. So now I'm using medium density foam all around the sides. So for the top part, I'll be using 2.5 inch firm foam. This is the type of foam saw I'll be using to cut the foam. So now I'll be using a needle like this and a marker to poke under the wood to find where the holes are and drill out the foam. So I prefer to measure on the wood so it's more accurate than measuring the foam and drilling it afterwards. It's not as accurate. So now I'm using a 1.5 inch hole saw to drill out the foam. So this is the quicker way. Instead of marking it again on the foam, we just copy it from the wood. So now I'm using fiber as well, so it gives it a nice soft feel to it. Now I'm just cutting wherever the holes are so it's easy to put the button through. So these are the types of crystals that I'll be using. It's 3/4 of an inch. And the strings that I'm using is 2 pounds nylon strings. And this is the staples that I'll be using. And the color of the vinyl is off-white. So on the back of the vinyl, I like to mark a line going up and down and the side to side. So when I do put it on, it gives me a nice straight line to it. Because once the pleat goes crooked, all of it will be going crooked as well. So I like to start in the middle and then go from side to side, and then after that you'll see I'll be working upwards. So you want to make sure it's straight, pulling up and down. And once you put the buttons on, don't staple it yet. I like to staple all the buttons afterwards once the whole line is set up. Doing it this way, you'll have your nice pleats. So now that I'm done all that row, I'll be pulling it down and stapling it. If you have any questions about the lift table, I'll put it in the description box below. Now I'm just fixing the pleat a little bit, making it go downwards. So once I'm done putting all the crystals on, I'll be cutting it with the knife like this. This is where the extra fabric will hide. So when I'm stapling down, I won't be doing it where the pleat is. I'll be doing that afterwards. It makes it a lot easier. And to hang this headboard up, I'll be cutting this plywood in a 45-degree angle, and this is how it looks. So as you can see, the longer side will be facing upwards. And this other piece here is to be screwed to the wall on this side. So here's how the finished piece looks like. So thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.